How to sign up and log in for MetaTrader for demo account. Hey guys, and let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of MetaTrader 4 application installed. If not, you have to download it via the Play Store or App Store. Just tap open your Play Store and on the search bar type in MetaTrader for Forex trading. Then after tap on install button. Once installed, let's now open the application. For that, you just have to tap open it. On the home page itself, you will see the option Open a demo account. After a few seconds, you will see another option that is a pop-up box. Make sure to select on Give Permission and agreeing to the terms and conditions. It will be done 2 times and after a few seconds, you will notice you have been logged in to your demo account. To check, tap on the menu and there is your MetaTraders for demo account ready. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.